In August 2025, Dharli village in Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand, faced a disaster that shook the entire region. At first, people thought it was a cloudburst, extremely heavy rainfall in a short time over a small area. But later, experts suggested it might have been a glacial lake outburst flood, or GLOF, which happens when a glacial lake suddenly bursts, sending huge amounts of water rushing downstream. A cloudburst means more than 100 millimeters of rain in just 1 hour, often over 20 to 30 square kilometers. This can happen due to strong upward air currents in mountainous areas, which push clouds higher and cause sudden, intense rainfall. In a GLOF, the trigger is different. It's usually the failure of a natural dam made of ice, rock, or soil. This can happen due to glacier melt, landslides, or even earthquakes. The Himalayan region, especially areas between 1,000 and 2,000 meters in altitude, is highly vulnerable. Steep slopes, fragile rock structures, and heavy monsoon rains create perfect conditions for disasters. Climate change is making this worse. Glaciers are melting faster, creating larger and unstable lakes, and extreme rainfall events are becoming more common. The impact in Uttarkashi was devastating. Houses were swept away, roads destroyed, and lives lost. Rescue teams reported injuries caused by debris and mud, with some people thrown over 100 meters by the force of the water. Many went missing, including army personnel. From a disaster management perspective, this is a serious warning. We need strong early warning systems, glacier and lake monitoring, hazard mapping, and community training for emergencies. The Disaster Management Act of 2005 and NDMA guidelines on cloudbursts and GLOFs provide the framework, but action on the ground is key. For your exams, remember these key terms: cloudburst, GLOF, flash flood, orographic rainfall, NDMA, and disaster risk reduction. Mains questions could ask you to discuss the geographical and climatic causes of cloudbursts in the Himalayas, or the role of climate change in increasing GLOF events in India. Prelims might test definitions, thresholds, or the most vulnerable states. And remember, knowledge is power only when you stay consistent. If you found this helpful, follow for more current affairs and exam-ready notes. Let's stay motivated, stay focused, and crack UPSC or MPSC together.